Welcome to our video on the 7 key strategies for managing software development teams, nearshore remote workers, and independent talent. These insights will help optimize your team's potential and significantly enhance your software development process. Commit to a software development methodology. Choose a software development methodology that best suits your team and project requirements. Agile, Scrum, and DevOps are popular methodologies that promote collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement. Set clear goals and expectations. Establish clear, tangible, realistic, and contextually relevant goals and expectations for your team members. This includes defining project objectives, setting deadlines, and outlining individual responsibilities. Foster open communication. Encourage open communication within your team. This can be achieved through regular meetings, shared communication channels, and promoting a culture of transparency and trust. Provide the right tools and resources. Equip your team with the necessary tools and resources to perform their tasks efficiently. This includes project management software, collaboration tools, and access to relevant documentation and training materials. Monitor progress and provide feedback. This helps identify potential issues early on and ensures your team stays on track to meet project goals. Encourage professional development. Support your team members in their professional development by providing opportunities for learning and growth. This can include training programs, workshops, and access to industry events and resources. Though team members may be in different countries, opportunities to learn together help align team dynamic for better results. Recognize and reward success. Acknowledge and celebrate your team's achievements. This can be done through public recognition, bonuses, or other incentives that show appreciation for their hard work and dedication. Now that you have the strategies to effectively manage your software development team, it's time to introduce TeamStation. TeamStation is the industry's first platform for building, managing, empowering, scaling, and paying software engineering teams from Latin America using an all-in-one system. With TeamStation, you can access a pool of pre-screened candidates, track the progress of your recruitment efforts in real time, and automate your software engineering team building and onboarding process. Start building your best-in-class team today and take your software development to the next level with greater certainty, continuity, and predictability at the velocity you need to stay ahead of your competition. To learn more about how TeamStation can revolutionize your software engineering team, visit teamstation.dev.